Buying an Amazon gift card with PayPal is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First of all, open up your Amazon website. Once you're here, now go to the search bar and type in Amazon gift card. As you can see here, we have different Amazon gift cards. So click on any one of them. Here, you can pick whether you want something animated, like with some movement involved. So there are multiple designs available. You can choose whatever you want. Further at the bottom, you will find some additional details to be specified. For example, you can put the amount to put in your Amazon gift card. Now here in this section, you can mention who you want to send it to. Here is the message that will be sent to them. Once you are done with this, now simply go to the top right side and click on the Add to Cart button. Then, click on the Proceed to Checkout option. So, I'm currently in a different country, and my PayPal won't be accepted for payments on Amazon. Because it's a digital card, and we cannot use PayPal in our country to pay for it. Then buy a $2,000 Amazon gift card and select PayPal as the payment method. After that, enter your card number, name on the card, and other details related to your card, and then simply click on the Add to Cart button. So this is how you can buy an Amazon gift card with PayPal.